Considering buying a land in Lagos, here are 5 key titles you need to understand. One is the certificate of occupancy. The certificate of occupancy, also known as the COO, is actually an official document that is issued by the state government conferring ownership title on an individual, organization, or a group of persons who are interested in the land. This actually stops the government, or it prevents the government from infringing on your land, or in the eventuality that they do, they actually have to compensate you. Two is the government consent. The government consent is a document transferring the ownership title to another individual. That means if you are trying to sell a land with the title COO to another person, the person buying from you actually has to do the government consent. That's a government approval that, okay, the government is actually aware that you are transferring the ownership of this your land to another person. The third one is the escission or gazette. The escission is actually a document that shows that the government is actually returning the ownership of the land to the indigenous people of the community, that is the indigenous land owners. 4 is the grant of probation or letter of administration. When someone dies, there is actually a document that you have to do on a land. Maybe someone's dad died and if they are trying to transfer ownership to either the next of kin or a close relative, then a grant of probation is actually done on that land title. That's what is called the grant of probation. Or on the other hand, if there is no will or the owner did not transfer it officially through a will, they can actually do a letter of administration. 5. This fifth one is actually not so common in Nigeria, but for some communities that have it, it is called the freehold. The freehold is actually a very good document that you can, it actually allows you to do whatever you want with this land. Either you are selling or you want to build the type of building that you so desire. The freehold actually gives you this liberty, and it comes without limitation. You may have seen several land adverts online where the prices differ, or there are several titles written on it, and you are wondering why is the price different. This is what it means. The titling matters because it's all about the process that has been done on a land, or the process that should be done on a land. Thank you very much.